Hey everyone, one new thing a day. What's new today is the first lesson I learned from my life coach, and I feel more than happy to share it with you all. So, the coach said there is something called as action, nothing but something we do. Then there is something called as reflection. Reflection is nothing but to think about the results of this action and try to bring a delta level improvement in us. So to say, cooking a recipe is an action. Reflection would be to analyze the taste and understand what could make it better. And delta is that little improvement that we bring when we cook the recipe next time with the thoughtful changes. Okay, so in this cycle of action, reflection, and delta, there is something really interesting I learned, and I want to share it with you all. The other day, I was teaching Champ, my son, 8 years old, and suddenly he said, I want to study from Papa, not from you. I said, okay. So his father started teaching him. Then I just asked him, Champ, can you please tell me why do you like it more to study from Papa versus Mama? To this, he answered that Papa makes it more fun for me to study. He doesn't scold me as often as you. So that's how it is interesting for him. Now my action was to teach him. Here comes the reflection part. In the reflection part, when I observed my husband, that how he explained the living things to my son. So he's studying a concept of living things and non-living things in school. So while he was teaching the concept to my son, what did he do to make it a lot more interesting for him? I want to show it to you all. So we are just going to demonstrate to you how Champ learned about the living things from his dad. He tried to create a story with which he would never forget in his life what are living things, and he actually recalled these points about the living things and wrote here.
Play was just from my mind.
That's great, Champ. Okay, so first thing is grow. How did Papa explain that to you?
Do I grow? Yes. Does a table grow? No.
No.
So therefore we can say that only living things
Grow, correct. Move by themselves. Can the board move by itself?
No, we have to move it.
And can you move by yourself?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if I pull Champ's cheeks, is he going to feel anything?
Yes.
But if I can
You
board,
can't even pull the board.
yeah, it doesn't have cheeks, so it's not going to feel anything. Oh, this playing is Champ's own idea about the living things. What about eat? If I feed you something, you can eat.
But if we feed the board, it can't eat.
So,
It doesn't have a mouth.
correct.
Wait, I'm going to draw a mouth.
Even then it cannot eat, Champ. Okay, can the board reproduce? Can the board create its own copy?
No.
No, but you got
We have
reproduced.
to build it.
Yeah, correct. And what about breathing? Can the board breathe?
No.
Can you breathe?
Yes.
How do you breathe?
By lungs.
Let's take a deep breath together. It's good for health. 1, 2, 3. So that's the difference I was talking about. Act, reflect, bring the delta. Bye-bye.